Hello, my dear students. We have completed your first unit from your Vistas book, and today I'm going to send you the first lecture of your second unit. It is from, once again, I'm telling you that it is from Vistas supplementary book, and the title of the unit is The Tiger King. Let's begin the first lecture of the same unit. Title: The Tiger of the King. The author is Kalki, and we are asked a question before we start the lesson. What is the general attitude of human beings towards the wild animals? We know it very well. How is our attitude towards wild animal? The Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram is the hero of the story. Who is the hero of the story? The Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram is the hero of this story. He may be identified as His Highness Jamedar General Khiledar Major Satavyagra Samahari Maharaja Dhiraj Vishwabhuvan Samrat Sir Jilani Jung Jung Bahadur MAD ACTC or CRCK. What a big name! He may be identified. May be identified, it is a passive voice, and you know it very well that while we are doing passive voice using modal auxiliaries, we have to put be between may and V3. So he may be identified as such a long name. Once again, I am reading it. His Highness Jamedar General Khiledar Major Satavyagra Samahari Maharaja Dhiraj Vishwabhuvan Samrat Sir Jilani Jung Jung Bahadur MAD ACTC or CRCK. But this name is often shortened to the Tiger King. Once again, it is the sentence of passive voice. It is shortened. तो उसको short किया जाता है और उसको क्या बुलाते हैं? The Tiger King. I have come forward to tell you why he came to be known as Tiger King. So the author says that I am here to inform you, to tell you that why this name was given to जुंग जुंग बहादुर. टाइगर किंग को ये नाम क्यों दिया गया, ये मैं आपको बताने के लिए आई हैव कम फॉरवर्ड. टू कम फॉरवर्ड इट मीन्स आगे आना. फ्रेजेस आपको एग्जाम में पूछा जाते हैं. I have no intention of pretending to advance only to end in a strategic withdrawal. I have no intention of pretending to advance only to end in a strategic withdrawal. मैं कोई strategic withdrawal नहीं करने वाला हूँ. Even the threat of Stuka bomber will not throw me off track. Stuka bomb, it is a type of bomb. I am not afraid of Stuka bomb. If you threat me to throw a Stuka bomb, I will not stop it. The Stuka, if it likes, can beat an hasty retreat from the story. अगर Stuka bomb चाहे तो मेरी स्टोरी में से रिट्रीट कर सकते हैं, यानी कि पीछे जा सकते हैं. Right at the start, it is imperative to disclose a matter of vital importance about the Tiger King. Everyone who reads of him will experience the natural desire to meet a man of indomitable courage face to face. The person who will read about him, naturally he would like to meet the person of indomitable courage, but there is no chance of its fulfillment. पर लोगों की ये इच्छा पूरी नहीं होगी, इसका कोई चांस नहीं. As Bharat said to Rama about Dashratha, the Tiger King has reached that final abode of living creature. Final abode, it means he is no more on this earth. So जैसे भरत ने राम को दशरथ के डेथ के बारे में इन्फॉर्म किया था, ऐसे ही मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ कि he is no more. The Tiger King has reached that final abode of all living creature. In other words, the Tiger King is dead. सिंपल वर्ड्स में बोले तो टाइगर किंग इज डेड. The manner of his death is matter of extraordinary interest, but how he died, it is very interesting. It can be revealed only at the end of the tale. And I'll not tell you in advance that how he died, but I will reveal it at the end of the tale. It can be revealed once again, it is a passive voice, can plus be plus V3. The most fantastic aspect of his demise was that as soon as he was born, astrologers had foretold that one day the Tiger King would actually have to die. It can be revealed only at the end of the tale, and the most fantastic aspect of his demise. So, this is the sentence of which degree? Superlative degree, right? So let's convert the sentence into positive degree. So no other aspect of his demise was so fantastic as this. Okay. The astrologers had foretold, it is the sentence of perfect past tense, that one day the Tiger King would actually have to die. Ek din Tiger King would die. There is nothing new in it. It is very much not natural that when a person is born, his death is decided. The child will grow up to become the warrior of warriors and hero of heroes and the champion of champions. There is not any doubt that the child will grow up. This is the forecast by astrologer, that he will be the warrior of warriors, hero of the heroes and champion of the champions. But they bit their lips. Bit is V2, या past tense form of bite. So they bit their lips and swallowed hard, because they did not want to reveal the truth. They wanted to avoid the reality to be revealed. That's why what did they do? They bit their lips and swallowed hard. When compelled to continue, they were compelled to compel. उसको force किया गया. Compel का nearest meaning क्या होता है? Force. When compelled to continue, the astrologers came out with it. This is a secret which should not be revealed at all. How he will die, this is that much secret that it cannot be revealed, it should not be revealed. Once again, it is a sentence of passive voice, should plus be plus V3. And we are forced to speak out, और आप हमें force कर रहे हो. Sentence passive voice का आ गया. We are forced. Simple present tense passive voice. The child born under this star will one day have to meet its death. जो भी बालक इस स्टार में है, it means इसका horoscope ऐसा है कि one day he will have to meet his death. At that very moment, a great miracle took place. Took place, the meaning of took place is happen. Take place is V1, इसका V2 है took place. Happen, took place. At the very moment, great miracle took place. An astonishing phrase emerged from the lips of the 10-day-old Jilani Jungjung Bahadur. Only 10 days old child who was sleeping in the cradle, astonishing phrase emerged from the lips. It means he said some astonishing words. Oh, wise prophets! Everyone stood transfixed in stupefaction. Everyone stood transfixed in stupefaction. Stupefaction, please write down the meaning, confusion. So, everyone stood transfixed. They stood still in astonishment, in confusion. They looked wildly at each other and blinked. Everyone were surprised when they heard a 10 days old child speaking. So they looked wildly at each other and blinked. O wise prophets, it was I who spoke. O wise prophets, it was I who spoke. This time there were no grounds for doubt. So there was not any question, there was no doubt about it that 10 days old child spoke these words. It was the infant born just 10 days ago who had enunciated the words so clearly. To enunciate, it means to speak clearly. There was no doubt that 10 days old infant spoke these words clearly. The chief astrologer took off his spectacles and gazed intently at the baby. So, the chief astrologer also did not believe his eyes and ears. So, he gazed intently at the baby. So, the nearest meaning of intently, it means curiously. He was curious and they gazed the boy with curiosity. All those who are born will one day have to die. There is nothing new in it that the person who is born, one day he or she will have to die. We don't need your predictions to know that. There would be some sense in it if you could tell us the manner of that death. When you forecast that one day I will die, there is no need of your prediction. It is clear that the person who is born, one day he or she will die. But if you tell us the manner of death, how will I die, if you forecast this thing, then there is something of important. Then there is some sense in your words. The royal infant uttered this word in a little squeaky voice. Squeaky, it means shrill voice में उसने बोला. The chief astrologer placed his finger on his nose in wonder. A baby barely 10 days old opened its lips in speech. How can anyone believe that 10 days old baby opens its lips in speech? Not only that, it also raises intelligent questions. Incredible. Not only that he spoke, but he raised intelligent question also. Rather like the bulletins issued by the War Office than facts. The chief astrologer took his finger off his nose and fixed his eyes upon little prince. The prince was born in the hour of bull. The bull and the tiger are enemies. Therefore, death comes from the tiger. So, the forecast came that the prince was born in the hour of bull, and that's why bull and tigers are enemy. That's why the death will come from tiger. You may think that Crown Prince Jungjung Bahadur was thrown into quack when he heard the word tiger. आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि ये छोटा सा 10 days का बच्चा जब टाइगर वर्ड सुनेगा तो डर जाएगा. That was exactly what did not happen. ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ था. As soon as he heard it pronounced, the tiger prince gave a deep growl. So as soon as का no sooner मैंने आपको सिखाया है, तो as soon as के बदले हम no sooner का यूज करते हैं यहाँ पे. नो सुनर के बाद क्या आएगा आपको पता होना चाहिए. मैंने कई बार आपको एक्सप्लेन किया है. डीड आएगा. नो सुनर डीड ही. सो डीड है तो V2 नहीं आएगा, V1 आएगा. नो सुनर डीड ही हियर इट प्रोनाउंस्ड देन वो आएगा ना. कंपेरेटिव डिग्री है इसीलिए THAN वाला देन आपको लगाना पड़ेगा. देन द क्राउन प्रिंस गेव अ डीप ग्रोल. टेरिफाइंग वर्ड्स एमर्ज्ड फ्रॉम हिज लिप्स. He did not afraid of the tiger. Instead of that, he spoke very terrifying words. Let tigers beware. Tiger को सावचेत कर दो. The account is only a rumor. This account is only a rumor rife in प्रतिबंधपुरम. ऐसा तो कोई rumor जैसी story है प्रतिबंधपुरम. But with hindsight, we may conclude it was based on some truth. लेकिन we can conclude that there is some reality in this rumor. The crown prince Jungjung Bahadur grew taller and stronger day by day. No other miracle marked his childhood days apart from the event already described. जो event हमने describe की है 10 days old वाली event, उसके बाद कोई भी miracle जुंगजुंग बहादुर की childhood में mention नहीं किया गया. The boy drank the milk of an English cow, was brought up by an English nanny, tutored in English by an Englishman, and saw nothing but English films, exactly as the crown princes of all other Indian states did. So, no other miracle marked his childhood days apart from the event already described. So, how was the childhood of Jungjung Bahadur? So, how was he grown up? So, the boy drank the milk of an English cow. He was brought up totally in English atmosphere, and was brought up by an English nanny, tutored in English by an English man, and saw nothing but English films. Exactly as the crown princes of all other Indian states did. All were fascinated by the English people, and all the princes behaved like that. When he came age of 20, the state which had been the court of words until then came into his hands. Because he was minor, he could not rule. That's why there was a court of words, and after he became matured, he became 20 years old, the rule of the state came into the hands of our Jung Jung Bahadur. But everyone in the kingdom remembered the astrologer's prediction. Many continued to discuss the matter. Slowly it came to the Maharaja's ear. But people had not forgotten the childhood story of Jung Jung Bahadur. तो इसके साथ ही हम आज का ये लेक्चर कंप्लीट करते हैं. Thank you very much for joining this lecture. See you very soon. Take care and goodbye, friends.